In today's video, I will show you how to create letter portrait step by step in a very easy way. First, take the letter. The font name is Baskerville. Then press Command plus T to adjust it. Apply a gradient, then choose black and white. Pick the color, choose radial, then click on reverse. Reduce the opacity and adjust it with the picture. Then set the opacity to full again. Go to Select and click on Subject. Then press Command, click on the text. Then press Command plus Shift plus I. Take the brush and erase like that. Then go to the text layer, double-click on it. Click on Stroke and follow those settings. Then go to Drop Shadow and follow the settings there. That's it for today. Thank you for watching.